You can, just don't get anything wet. If they throw me in, I'm gonna be mad.
Oh.
Get me now. They're coming. Get me now. I'm scared. Patrick! No, I'm not. Don't.
Come on, Courtney.
No, I've already been in like 4 times.
Come on,
Okay,
we're
more
going
than that.
swimming.
No, you're wet. No, no. Come on, Patrick. No, no, oh my God. Ah! I don't want to go. Patrick, no.
Yeah! How's the water feel, Courtney?
No.
Let's get a friend in.
No.
Corey.
You take a dip?
She has shorts on.
Sorry.
Yeah, you're mean. Oh.
Truth!
Ah.